and welcome to the second day of the seminar on Media and Human Development, Need for Reality Check, organized by the International Center Goa in association with Media Information and Communication Center of India, Goa Union of Journalists, and Frederick Edwards Clifton. May I invite the speakers of the third session. On the fourth session, Ms. Sangamitra Mainkar, reporter Goa Dut, Ms. Jyoti Kukarikar, writer and filmmaker, and Ms. Rajni Vednekar, social welfare officer, director of Women and Child Development. Please take this. Thank you.
Today we will start this session. First session today, how empowering our government schemes for women. And schemes here, for example, Ladli Lakshmi, Griha Aadhar. At the outset, let me say that this topic is of paramount importance, empowerment of women. And women's empowerment especially has become very important in the present context when we hear a lot of cases of violence against women, injustice, all kinds of things happening in the country. And even in Goa also, Goa is not an exception to that. This kind of rapes and cases taking place, we also have to wonder about empowerment of women. Women's empowerment has to be in several ways, like laws to empower women, good laws. It should be higher education. Education is the biggest empowering factor, especially higher education. Recently, I was reading an article in The Hindu where I write. There was one UNDP report where some survey and analysis were conducted about India, domestic violence in India. On that, he had said that in most of the metros of the country, this domestic violence was very high. And final conclusion was that two major factors which are very important. One, wherever there is higher education among women, the domestic violence was less. Higher educated women, higher this. And second was higher employment opportunities for women. They are directly related to reduce the domestic violence itself. So we can understand. Then, therefore, according to me, education, higher the education opportunities and higher the employment opportunities for women. So these are the aspects. Then we cannot rule out the other aspect. Definitely there is a role for social security schemes for empowering women in their own way. Provided, what we find mostly is that all these social security or so-called empowering schemes for women, they come out as populist schemes, many times vote-getting schemes. And how real they are, in that context today, I think we should discuss this. Empowering of women through this government scheme. For example, Ladli Lakshmi. The scheme was introduced to say that to correct the lowering gender ratio. How much it will be really effective? 1 point. Second point, as far as the scheme is concerned, at the moment I don't know whether there is a income, this is fixed. No, it is across the board. So how much targeted is such a scheme? Or is it just sometimes a waste of the government's money, that is subsidies? Then another scheme is Griha Aadhar. Here, are we empowering women through employment generation, or we are giving up our responsibility in that and we are trying to say that we are empowering through doles? So these are the issues. Let me come to this, my own comments in the end. We will start the discussion. I have three people on this panel. One is Sangamitra Mainkar, she is a journalist of Goa Dut. Then Jyoti Kukarikar, writer, filmmaker and social worker. And we have a representative from the government, Rajni Vednekar. She is a social welfare officer, director of women and child development through which these schemes are implemented. So we'll start with Sangamitra.
Namaskar. Degrees on this and after this. This issue is how empowering our government scheme for women, that is Ladli Lakshmi Viradhar and all. Actually, before starting this issue, I don't want to, first of all, I want to clear that I don't want to challenge the intention of the government or the intention of our beloved Chief Minister, Manohar Parrikar. Because he or that government has started this scheme in the intention of for the betterment of the women and all. But frankly speaking about this scheme, if you ask me that whether these schemes are really helping, whether these schemes are really to empower women, then my answer will be no. Because this 1 lakh or 1,000 will not help the women to empower. It is not for the empowerment. It's just like what we say in Angreji Diwali, the religious ceremony this 1 lakh, and this 1 lakh will not serve the purpose because it comes as a this thing. I'm not a beneficiary of this 1 lakh because I got married 3 years back. Now it has been started. So that's why you don't think that I'm criticizing it. But it really doesn't serve the purpose. Because at the time of this thing, I'm just putting my general observation. I'm not going to make a bhashan over here, but just intention because other people are there to speak on this issue. At the time of marriage, this money is given. After marriage, once you do the civil, your registration, you get this 1 lakh. Or after marriage, and this goes to the parents, or sometimes what happens means I can't prove this in the court or in front of you, but this gives the opportunity to make the disputes in the family. Yeah, it becomes disputable because once you get married and goes to your husband's house, then husband may have that greed to take that money. So indirectly, emotionally, he may or this 1 lakh doesn't serve because actually this 1 lakh is meant for to bring down the burden from the parents. This is total expenditure. It should get it should be reduced. So, but it doesn't happen. Sometimes in the higher or lower middle class family, what happens? Their total expenditure or budget they increase because they think that we will get 1 lakh rupees. Means आता कोकणी उलयले normal हातून in middle class family what they do काकणा पाटली तोडो gold ornaments. But when you think that you are going to get this 1 lakh rupees, no, they increase that ornament. in families what happens ते लग्न थरोपा वयता तेन्ना तांकां खबर आसता की 1 लाख रुपया म्हणून हांव प्रूव करूं शकना बट इट हॅपन आय टेल यू इट हॅपन तर तो तांकां 1 लाख रुपया खबर आसता दे नो दॅट दे आर गोइंग टू गेट द 1 लाख रुपीज ते कितें करता आतां साधारण जी फॅमिली आसा न्हू काकणां पाटली जोडना द प्रायसीस ऑफ गोल्ड हॅज हायक नाव इट हॅज बीन लिटल रिड्यूस बट इट इज हायक सो ते कितें करता काकणां पाटली तोडूचे जाता ना तुम्ही फीट घाला तुम्ही कितें गोड घाला तो हे तेंचे ऑर्नमेंट्स वाडटा अदरवायज बफेचे मेनू वाडटा बफेचे ते जेवण दिता तेंचे ते आनी मात खंय तरी हनीमून पॅकेज करता बट हे 1 लाख रुपया ते पेरंट्साच्या हातीन वचना नॉर इट म्हणजे तेजे पर्पजच सर्व जायना स्टँडर्डाक थोडेशे पयशे मेळत आफ्टर 18 इयर्स परतून ताका थोडे पयशे मेळत जाल्यार शी कॅन यूज दॅट मनी फॉर हर एज्युकेशनल दिस थिंग एंड वन्स शी विल गेट गुड दिस थिंग जॉब ऑर वॉटेवर प्रोफेशन एंड ऑल शी इज एबल टू म्हणजे 1 लाख रुपया गरज कितें आनी म्हाका जर चली आसा जाल्यार म्हज्या चलयेची जबाबदारी हांव घेतलें तेका 1 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाखाचें लग्न करतलें सो 1 लाख कित्याक बिकॉज तुमी एका जल्माक घातल्यार तुमकां खबर आसता तेंचें लग्न करपाक जाय म्हणून आणखी 1 लाख रुपया ते एडिशनल बेश्टोच तुमकां दिवं की 1 लाख रुपया and first thing the intention the preamble as a first major the criticization but तातून एक गोष्ट हे आसा in this thing in the preamble of this scheme of Ladli Lakshmi it says like this that in a society where a girl child is often seen to the financial burden and this scheme is intended to reduce the financial burden, thereby addressing the undesirable tendency of the female foeticide and thus helping to arrest the female sex ratio in the state. This scheme further intend to ensure that girl child does not become a burden for the parents or guardian during her marriage. That's why this scheme should not be construed or misunderstood as an encouragement to the practice of giving dowry in any way. म्हणजे अशा आता सिगरेटीच्या पाकिट तुका दिवपाचे आणि स्मोकिंग सिगरेट इज इंजुरियस टू युअर हेल्थ असं करप. तू ताका सांगता आनी मागीर ना पण ते dowry यूज जावं वा ना पण अदरवायज ते कित्याक तरी पयशे वतात. पण लोकांक पडलेल्या 5 रुपयाची आशा आसता, 1 लाख रुपयाची आशिंगाची आसा. कितें करून तरी ते कोण ना कोण तरी गरज म्हणजे आपल्या जाय तसं वापरतले न्हू. बट एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंटान सर्वे तरी करपाचो वेर दीस मनी गोज एक्झॅक्टली. 1 लाख रुपया दिलो खंय वरलो ते शॉपिंग करतले. समज 50,000ची शॉपिंग करपाची 1 लाख मेळटा म्हणजे 1 लाखाची करता. 10,000ची चालू घेता जाल्यार तूं 20,000ची चालू घेतला. बट खरें गो वयता इफ दॅट फॅमिली इज व्हेरी पुअर खरेंच गरज आसा आनी तांकां जर this scheme goes to that poor family, no, then it will serve the purpose. In a society where there is burden, financial burden, आम्ही चिंता म्हणजे there is a problem, no, that problem should not be there. म्हणजे तुम्ही sensitize करा लोकांक की तुम्ही तुमच्या चलयांक फायनान्शियल बर्डन धरूच नाका. एकदा तुम्ही सांगा फायनान्शियल बर्डन म्हणून तुमकां हे दिया तर गव्हर्मेंटान अशें करपाचें की तूं फायनान्शियल बर्डन मनीस चिंतचोच ना, पेरंट्स चिंतचे ना, सोसायटी चिंतचीच ना की तो फायनान्शियल बर्डन आसा म्हणून, जाल्यार गरजूच ना अशें हें करपाचें. बट जर 5 वर्साच्या भुरग्याचेर हो 1 लाख रुपया दवरलो एफडी, ताका परतून 10 वर्सां शील बिकम 10 स्टँडर्ड विल गो टू द 10th स्टँडर्ड, देन इट गेट सम म्हणजे थोडो रिलीज केलो ताच्या खातीर, परतून ताका 18 वर्सांनी दिलो, परतून हायर एज्युकेशनाक ताका पयशे दिले वा तेंचे सारको ट्रॅक दवरलो वेर दॅट रियली दॅट गर्ल इज गोईंग, ते खंयच्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनाक वता, ते कितें काम करता, ते खंयच्या जॉबाक लागले आनी सगळे. आनी सोशल विमेन एंड चायल्ड डिपार्टमेंटान भुरगीं कितली गुरवार बायलां आसा, कितली भुरगीं जल्माक आयल्या, तांकां कितें जालें, ते माल नरीश आसा काय ना, तांकां आनी कसलो रोग जाला काय ना, हें सगळो रिकॉर्ड आसा. सो तशें जर सगळो ट्रॅक दवरलो, क्रिटिसाइज करना, बट तो सारको जर ट्रॅक दवरलो जाल्यार आमच्या गोंयांत कितलें पॉप्युलेशन आनी कितली चलयो जल्मा वता, एक तर आमचो सेक्स रेशो देंवता. सो हार्डली वन्स इन अ इयर कितले 500-1,000 भुरगीं जल्मा येतलीं. 1,000 भुरग्यांचो ट्रॅक दवरपाचो 20 वर्सांनी खंय पावली, 20 वर्सांनी खंय पावली जाल्यार कदाचित आमकां कोण शिकता बाबा इतली भुरगीं हायर एज्युकेशनाक गेली, इतली भुरगीं ड्रॉप आवट जाली, इतली भुरगीं आनी खंय गेली, इतली भुरगीं बेगिना लग्न जाली, ते सगळें दवरलें. पण एक म्हणजे इतले समस्या आसा तेजे कडेन दुर्लक्ष करप आनी हो 1 लाख रुपया, हे 2 लाख रुपया, हे 1,000 रुपया. आतां सद्या आतां गृह आधाराचेर उरलें. इफ आय एम गोइंग टू टॉक ऑन गृह आधार स्कीम, नाव दिस टोमॅटो इन दिस प्रेझेंट डे इन द मार्केट, टोमॅटो इज 50 to 60 rupees kilo, ऑनियन इज 40 rupees kilo, तुम्ही साधे तुमचे तांदूळ राईस इज 50 rupees kilo. 1,000 रुपया खंय पावता एक सादारणचे बायलेक 1,000 रुपया खंय पावपाचो, जाल्यार तुमी हांगासर कंट्रोल हाडपाक जाय. इन्फ्लेशन रेट तुमी देवया, खंय तरी मार्केटान भाजी येतली ती भाजयेचेर तुमी रेट देवया. यू सी दॅट युअर बेसीक कमोडिटीज रेट विल नॉट हाय. राईस, शुगर, ऑयल हे तुमचे हायक जावचे ना. हाजेर 1,000 रुपया दिलो तूं बाजारांत 2-4 आयटम घेतलो जाल्यार 1,000 रुपया गेलो, ती कितें करतली ती बायल. एका वाटेन आमी सांगता आय डोंट थिंक दॅट इट रियली सर्व्स द पर्पज. सो हे स्कीम म्हणजे तुम्ही 1,000 दिल्या परस ते 1,000 रुपया अशा पद्धतीने हे करा, स्पेंड करा दॅट यू स्ट्रेंथन द मेकॅनिझम दॅट इन्फ्लेशन रेट विल नॉट गो अप. हे एक करपाचें. आनी गृहात एक लाडली लक्ष्मी करता तेजेर तुमी हाच्या इन्कम हेजेर हे दवरपाचो limitation, that limitation should be there, that the parent, where the parents are really poor, they don't have this, where they can't bear the expenditure of the marriage, then you give them 1 lakh दिया, 2 lakh दिया, 3 lakh दिया अशें दिया. आनी तांचे कितें बाबा एक्सपेंडिचर तुमी ताका एक प्रपोजल, तेन्ना बाकीचे तुमी फायनान्शियल स्किम्स दिता तेन्ना तुमी तांचे प्रपोजल दिता की हे म्हाजे प्रपोजल, हो म्हाजो हे दीस प्रोफेशन आय एम गोइंग टू डू ऑर दीस बिझनेस आय एम गोइंग टू, दीस इज माय बिझनेस प्रपोजल. सो तुमी मॅरेजाचे ते सगळं प्रपोजल, बिकॉज दीस money will go for only for marriage, no? To proposal there, this is my budget, I am going to spend 20,000 on this thing, शॉपिंग 20,000 आणि कितें सपोज प्रपोजल पळया कितें येतले आनी तशें करून ताजे पयशे रिलीज करा. बेश्टे तुमी 1,00,000 रुपया दितले एकदा तर एक म्हणजे लग्न जावन वता 3 म्हयन्यांनी तुमकां ते पयशे मेळटा. 3 म्हयन्यांनी पयशे लग्नाचे जे एक्सपेंडिचर आसता ते 3 म्हयने कोण रावना पूण माटो घालता ते 3 म्हयने रावपाना. जेवण दिता तो 3 म्हयने तुमकां रावपाना. ते 1,00,000 रुपया खंय वता कोणाच्या बॉसान वता कितें जाता कोण जाणा. माझ्या फॅमिलीतले एक सांगता माय दिस्टिंग ब्रदर तिचे लग्न जालें. शी गॉट मॅरीड दिस्टिंग सिस्टर इन लॉ. तिका परतून थोडे आपले हेल्प करपा आशिल्लो आपल्या वयल्या घरा कडेन. So she said that I'm going to help my mother because she has spent lot. So this my brother said okay, you help. But suddenly he thought that she is going to get that this 1 lakh रुपये. ना तुका ते 1,00,000 रुपया मेळपा न्हू. ना मागीर कितें जालें 1,00,000 रुपया गव्हर्नमेंट दिता हांव आतां म्हाजे परतून दितले. सो गव्हर्नमेंटाचे हितून नाच बिकॉज दॅट ज्या इंटेन्शनान गव्हर्नमेंटान स्टार्ट केली द गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज स्टार्टेड दिस स्कीम लोकांचे तकलेनूच ना ते. आनी जेन्ना सादेपणान विथआउट एनी दिस्टिंग नो हार्डशीप वेन यू गेट समथींग नो यू डोंट फील रिस्पेक्ट फॉर दॅट. सो तुमी कशें हें करता. सो गव्हर्नमेंटान त्या परस गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ वॉटेवर they should rethink on this scheme. I think and empowerment is जायच ना. तुला empowerment कितें. If I want to see, if I tell my this thing our Prakash sir that I want to drive this thing car. म्हाका गरज कितें आसा कारीची आसा. So I'll go to the Prakash sir and Prakash sir please train me to drive the car. ना तुका कार कितें चलोवपा जाय हांव तुका सदांच लिफ्ट दिता. कशें म्हटल्यार कशें जातलें. If you really want to empower me, then train me to drive the car. No, तू सदांच म्हाका लिफ्ट दिवन म्हाका आयुष्यभर उरपाना न्ही. ह्या कशें आसा. So this is my observation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sangamitra. So Sangamitra says that these schemes are not, they are like one-time gift and they don't really serve the purpose of empowering. She started by saying that she doesn't want to question the intention. But really you have said a lot of things. One point you made is about that it is a one-time gift. Then you said that many times it leads to family discord. Many cases have come up in media also. Because what happens is, as per the scheme initially at least, it was after registration. And in many cases, people come and tell us as journalists that some of the boys' side, they say that after first signature, they say unless you commit that money will come to me, I am not signing for the second signature. And without second signature, you can't get married. So this kind of discord and conflict, if it can create, then how does it serve the purpose of empowering the girl child? That is the thing. Then she made another point. It increases the cost of marriage. Very correct. Because many times, moment the people start imagining you are going to get 1 lakh, so start spending more. So this trigger in expenditure, when we should have been discouraging this kind of spendings. That is one point she made. So in that context, she said the purpose doesn't serve of helping the family of the girl. Then she says that to see the impact of the scheme, there should be a survey should be done and to assess the scheme. Then she also says that it should go to the deserving poor. That is what? So there is no income this has been put. So it has to be focused. Then she also said that people should be sensitized not to consider girl, child a burden. And instead of that, if we just take accepting that it is a burden, so then we are not doing service to the society or its mindset at the moment. Then in case of Grihadhar, Sangamitra says that government should be working to curb the or bring down the prices of commodities because it is aimed at helping the women, that is women to reduce their burden of household expenditure. So in that sense, you give 1,000 per month and actually the inflation and the cost of things are going up so fast that she says that it doesn't help. So according to her, there should be a rethink on this, because these kind of schemes, they do not really serve the purpose of empowering the women. Now I will call Jyoti Kukodekar.
नमस्कार सगळ्यांक देव बरो दीस दिवं. हांगा वेदिचेर आशिल्ले प्रकाश बाब कामत, संघमित्रा रजनीबाई, काळजाचे प्रश्न आनी काळजाची भास म्हणून म्हाका कोंकणीन बरें मांडपाक येतलें म्हणून हांव कोंकणी उलयतां. इश्टानो, कायदे किंवा सवलती ह्यो केन्ना आभाळांतल्यान मळबांतल्यान पडल्यो ना, त्यो मनशांनीच तयार केल्या. आनी म्हजें एक ठाम मत आसा, ज्यो सवलती केल्या त्यो सगळ्यो दादल्यांनी केल्या. तातूंत केन्नाच बायलांक विश्वासान घेतलें ना. जावं ते शिक्षणाच्या मळार, जावं ते लाडली लक्ष्मी किंवा आरोग्याच्या बाबतींत, हे सगळे दादल्यांनी केल्ले हे सवलती केल्ल्यो आसा. आनी ताणें आपल्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आनी सत्तेक जें कितें पुरक आसा त्या नदरेंतल्यान ह्यो सवलती केल्ल्यो आसात. साद्यो 1965 पर्यंत हांगा जो पोर्तुगीज कायदो आशिल्लो तातूंत अशें आशिल्लें की 5 वर्सां मेरेन भुरगें जावना आनी 10 वर्सां मेरेन चलो जावना जाल्यार दादलो बायलेक डायवर्स घेवं येतालो. हो कायदो तेन्ना आमचे कशें डायवर्स जातले आशिल्ले, तर म्हाका 2 चलयो. सो अशा तरेचे जे कायदे आशिल्ले तातूंत बायलांक तांच्यांनी विश्वासान घेतलें ना. सांगपाक इतलीच खंत दिसता की सवलती खूब बऱ्यो आसा, ताज्या विशयी म्हजो वाद ना. म्हाका लाडली लक्ष्मी आसूं, गृह आदार आसूं, पूण तांच्या मेरेन पावपाचें ज्या मनशाक तळमळ नाशिल्ले मनीस हांगा तयार करूं ना. तांकां तळमळ आसपाक जाय, ज्या मनशा मदीं तांच्या मेरेन पावपाक जाय. आतां खंयच तुमी पेपरार वाचलें आसलें, एका बायलेक 100 रुपया पगार, 22 वर्सां एका आरोग्य खात्यान त्या बायलेक झाडू मारता 100 रुपया. तुम्ही वाचला आसतलें, फ्रंट पेजीर येयलें. म्हणजे पयशे ताका दिता, ताका मात्तूय धगण ना, मात्तूय मनीसपण ना. ह्या बायलेक 22 वर्सां 100 रुपया पगार तो दिता, तर मात्तूय कांयच करूं ना. कसलें हें मनीसपण? ज्या मनशाक 100 रुपयान जाता कितें, आनी ती 22 वर्सां बाबतीत काम करता, आनी त्याग करप आनी कश्ट करप म्हणजे बरी पाय. हो एक गुण आमी करून दवरला. ती कितली सोंसता पळय, ती कितली कश्ट करता पळय. 100 रुपया मग कोणाकूच दिसलें ना. ते कर्मचारी वर्ग आसा, ते कॅशार आसा, ते कोणाकूच दिसलें ना ह्या बायलेक 100 रुपया कायद्यान पडटा. कायदो कितें सांगता, मदींच दिसा कितले पडचे जाय सांगता, कोणूच कांय करना. हांव जायत्यो, हांव कोण फुडारी न्हय, हांव कोण पंच न्हय, सरपंच न्हय, पण बायलां विशीं कळत आशिल्लें एक मनीस, सादें सामकें. पूण म्हजे कडेन अशें खूब दिसवड्याक बायलो येतात, काम ते आपलो प्रॉब्लेम येता. हांवें मुद्दम एक बायल हांगासर हाडल्या. तुमी पळयलें आसतली, भागीरथी मातशी उबी राहा. तिका पळयतकीच तुका कळटलें की ह्या बायलेक सगळ्यो सुविधा मेळपाक जाय. ती भागीरथी गावडे तुमी जाती धरल्यो, तिका त्यो मेळटा. तिका गृह आदार मेळूंक जाय. तिका जे कितें आसा पळय त्यो सवलती मेळपाक जाय. गेली 6 वर्सां ती बायल आनी हांव झगडटा. सादी गजाल. एक म्हणजे तुजो चलो आसा, 25 वर्सांचो मोनो चलो, ताका उलोवपाक येना. लोक काम करून घेता, बरो आसा, दष्टपुष्ट बरो आसा, काम करून घेता आनी ताका सोरो घालता. जे कायद्यान खंयच ते घरा पळय जें आसा तातूंत हें ना, लायसन ना. त्यो बायलो उपकार करता म्हूण ताका घरा येवन तो मारता. डेली ती रातची आमगेर येता, कारण तो पिता. ताका एक चली आसा वाडिल्ले, 8वेक आसा. त्या चलयेचेर तो हात घालूंक शकता. तो हात घालतकच ताका मारतकच पुलीस येतले, कायदो येतलो, सगळें. पण पयलीं तांचेर मरचें पडटलें. सो डेली रातचे तिका फोन घेवन दिला. मातशें कितें जालें, म्हाका फोन करता. कशें कळना हांवें. 5 फोन आसा जाल्यार तो घेवपाचो, तांबडो आसा तो घालपाचो. किंवा अशेंच कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसलें, म्हाका फोन कर, हांव येता. 6 वर्सां हाज्या खातीर हांव गेलें. बाबा हातून गेलें, संजय स्कुलान गेलें. ना, ताका वर्सां व्हडलीं आसा, ताका आमी घेना. मेंटलान गेलें, तो पिसो न्ही, ताका आमी घेना. पुलिशान गेलें, तो खुनी न्ही, ताका आमी घेना. हाजें आमी कितें करपाचें? दीस रात तिका मारून, तिका ती जेवण जें कितें करता तो सगळें एकटो जेवता, दिसवाड्याक वता, सोडून दी. तिचो घोव मेलो. विधवा पेन्शन मेळटा न्ही, तिका मागीर विधवा पेन्शन करून दिली. ती आमगेर आयली. घोव मेलो मेडिकलान. आतां ते डेथ सर्टिफिकेट जाय. तांचे लोक ते तितलें शिक्षण ना, मेल्या बरोबर आकांत येतात, ते बरोबर घरा आयली. 2 म्हयने डेथ सर्टिफिकेट ना, आमकां खबरच ना. हांव गेलें मेडिकलान, ते सर्टिफिकेट घेवन आयलें. सर्टिफिकेट हाडलें की ताची बायल बी प्रूफ करा, कारण तिचे कडेन तेल ना. पयलीं लोक तेल करनाशिल्ले. तर ती ताची बायल काय केलें, पयलीं एक जाता ती म्हणजे आम्हाला फुडें कितें करपाचें जाल्यार फुडें तिगेले भुरगे आसल्या भुरग्यांचे बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट आसा ते बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट हाडून गेले अशें करून म्हाका सारक्या मनशाक खबर आशिल्लें 15 दीस लागले ती बायल कशी 15 दीस घेतली ती दिसवड्याचें काम करता तिने पाड करून 2,000 रुपया म्हाका नाकाच म्हणजे 8 दीस गेले 1600 रुपया गेले त्यापेक्षा म्हाका ही स्किमूच नाका स्कीम बरी पूण ती स्किमी मदीं जे आसा तांकां रेशन कार्ड आतां आवयगे रेशन कार्ड आसा घोवागे रोखडे मेळना ताका वेळ जाता रेशन कार्ड ना येवूच नाका साद्यो साद्यो गजाली इतल्या तरेन हायलायट करता कालूच आमच्या कॉलनीन एक कुत्रो आसा कामाक वचपी कुत्रो तो ताका पांयां कितें कवची लागली आनी रगत येवपाक लागले ताका रातचें वाडटा म्हणून म्हज्या दारांत बसता काल हांवें फोन केलो पणजे हातून सांतिनेज ते टॉप केला हांव म्हळें मातशें कुत्र्याक तूं खंय वता माशें ना माशें आमकां लागना आनी तुमचें कितें प्रोसेस तो तें म्हाका सांग ना हांव अशें फोन ताणें दवरलो तो आयकून घेवपाकूच तयार ना मागीर फोनाक फोन केलो राधिका नाका हांवें फोन केलो तिणें म्हाका सांगलें अमकें अमकें थंय फोन करून तो आतां पंचायतीचें लेटर येवपाक जाय कुत्र्याक व्हरपाक कुत्रो थंय मेळ्ळा ताका त्रास जाता ताका हें पडल्या हांव पेट्रोल घालें जाल्यार म्हाका पंचायतीन वच पंचायतीन लेटर सर ह्यो आमचें कायदे आतां हांवें चली घरा दवरलो ऑफिसांतल्यान ताका सांगला राधिकाक फोन कर म्हजो फोन बंद नासतलो आनी कशेंय करून गाडी हाडून त्या कुत्र्याक थंय व्हर तर अशा बारीक बारीक गजाली ह्या बायलेक आतां हिच्या चली 8वी शिकता ताका 2,000 रुपया मेळटा पळय तें शिक्षण ते चलीक मेळना आतां कित्याक मेळना हांवें फोन केलो हांव शारदा हायस्कुलाचे प्रिंसिपलाक त्या चलीक 2,000 कित्याक मेळना ताणें फॉर्म भरूंक ना दिसता अरे ते दादीक रेशेकारी जाता दादीक रेशेकारी ती बायल आसा तिका असलेंच इन्कम ना ताका तुमी ते चली तुका मात्तूय दिसता टिचरी हाचो फॉर्म बायल्यार घरान नाशिल्ल्यान फॉर्म भरचो म्हणून सगळ्यात पयशे ते आमगेर आयले आपल्या वयनी आपल्याक पयशे मेळना हांवें काल फोन करूच आसा म्हाका कित्याक फॉर्म भरून तुमी दिवना ताका ताची पुस्तकां हांव दितां युनिफॉर्म कितें म्हजे कडेन ताकता तें हांव दितां घरा खातीर ते कितल्यो आलपेटे काडल्यो कितें तिका मेळना शेवटी हांवें कोणाक घेवन 10,000 रुपया तिचे ल्हानशें घर बांदून दिलें प्रत्येक गजाली कडेन बायलांक आज त्या प्रमाणे सवलती दिता योजना करता त्यो तांच्या मेरेन पावना आनी मदल्या कोणाकच ती तेवळ मेळना लाडली लक्ष्मी खातीर म्हाका बरें दिसता हांव ताचे अशें हें ना किंवा 1 लाख म्हाका व्हडलो न्ही संगमित्राकय व्हडलो न्ही पण सामान्य तिका 1 लाख व्हडलो तिने कितें म्हळें आतां आपूण मरपाक तेकली आपल्याक मरपाक काय ना आपल्याक 1 लाख रुपया कितें आसूं करपाक मेळटलें अशी योजना आसा त्यो बऱ्यो आसात तातूंत म्हणजे हें काय ना आतां कितें आसता गर्भपात बायलांचो बेकायदेशीर करप काय कायदेशीर करप हातून आसा न्ही पूण तो ह्या मताचें हांव कित्याक ना जाल्यार भुरग्याक पयलीं म्हाका ते 18 वर्सांच मान्य ना 18 वर्सां जातकीच 1 लाख मेळटा पळय तो 18 वर्सांचेर लग्न करप हें म्हाका मान्य ना तर ते शारिरीक आनी मानसीक ते भुरगेच तयार ना तुमी आमकां सांगता अशें दिसता की 18 वर्साचेर लग्न करपाक ते तयार जाले आहा म्हणून कोणे काय बघायला 18 वर्सांचेर लग्न 18 वर्सां भुरगे 12वी शिकता 12वीच्या हातून आतां 1 लाख मेळटा न्ही पळय एक बायल जाता 1 लाख म्हणटा ताका लग्न करुया 18 वर्सां हें बायलेचें वय आसूंक जायना आनी म्हजें मत वैयक्तीक मत म्हाका दिसता कारण ते मेंटली आनी फिजिकल सारकें जायना अशें म्हाका दिसता पूण तो 1 लाख रुपया खूब जाणांक बऱ्याक पडटा आनी पडला अशें न्ही की फाटली घाल तोडो घाल ताच्या परस 1 लाख रुपयाचे खर्च केलो अशें हांवें 2 केसी हांवें स्वता केल्या तो तांकां हांवें सांगलें बाबा 1 लाख तुमकां मेळ्ळो न्ही तर तुमी अशें करात म्हजे येवपाचे पयशे कितें तातूंतल्यान तें जाता आनी कांय लोकांक बरो पडला म्हज्या ताचेर एक बरो आसता पूण तो योग्य तरेन आनी हातून मेळपाक जाय की ज्या तरेन पद्दतीन बेगीन आनी मेळपाक जाय पळय तो ताचे विशीं म्हजें मत ना ही सगळ्यो स्किमी आसा आसूं मागीर त्यो इलेक्शनाच्या हातून आसूं पण तो खुबशे बायलांक पडला खंय कायदे कोण सगळेच कायदे कोण मानता अशें ना इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेजीस ब्रागांजा ही व्हडली संस्था आसा म्हणजे सारको असो नियम आसा ताचो चेअरमॅन ज्येष्ठ साहित्यीक आसूंकूच जाय अशें आसतना संजय हरमळकर चेअरमॅन जाता कायदो तुमी कोणा खातीर करता आनी कायदो तुमी बेकायदो कोणा खातीर करता म्हणजे स्पश्ट बरयल्लें आसा तो ज्येश्ठ आसपाक जाय आनी थंय येवन तुमी राजकारण केला एकूच असो पोस्ट आशिल्लो आमच्या लेखका खातीर हो म्हज्या बायलेचेर केल्लो अन्याय न्ही हो तुमी दिया ताका IDC दिया EDC दिया टुरिझम दिया जाय तो ताका तुमी दिया म्हज्या जाग्यार तांकां कित्याक तुमी हाडून दवरला तुमच्या उद्योगान आनी कितें ढवळाढवळ करता आनी तो म्हणटा आपूण चित्रकार वेगळो आनी साहित्यीक वेगळो आनी ते कोण कायदे आसा ते कोण बारीक मनशान व्हरना चंद्रकांत केळियान केल्या नार्वेकारान केल्या एक साहित्यीक आसपाक जाय कायदो तुमीच करता आनी कायदो तुमीच मोडटा आनी ह्या राज्यान परिराज्या राज्यान अशी ऑर्डर काडून येता आनीच काडली ही ऑर्डर इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेजीस ब्रागांजाचो सगळें स्पश्ट जे बरयल्लें आसा ते ज्येश्ठ साहित्यीक आसा हो म्हजेर जाल्लो अन्याय अशें हांव समजता आमच्या बायलाचेर जाल्लो अन्याय मे बी हांव आसूं शकतलें आसलें चेअरमॅन कित्याक ना तर त्या मनशाक नाच तो मनीस तो येवंकूच शकना तो येवंक शकना आसून ताका फाटल्यान हाडला आनी पयल्या मिटिंगेक तो म्हणटा पयल्या मिटिंगेकूच तो म्हणटा ना हो कायदो आतां भायर उडोवया कित्याक आमकां खबरदार हांवें लेटर ताका म्हणलें तूं कायदो हातलो वचूं ना म्हणून तूं राव ताका 5 वर्सां तूं हांगा 5 म्हज्या आमच्या आयुष्यातल्या आमच्या लेखकाचे तो काढला तो कसलोच अधिकार ना म्हणून आनी म्हणून तो म्हाका म्हाजो प्रोग्राम आपयना म्हणजे तोंड पळयना कित्याक आमी जेन्ना उलयता काडलो तेन्ना आमी 10 लोकांचे वायटपण आमी येता त्या बायलेक हांव घेवन इतली 6 वर्सां अशी कितलीशीच आसा कितली तरी महिला आयोग आसा महिला आयोग बायलां खातीर आसा सगळे कायदे आसा बायलांक ते घालूंक जाय म्हणून घालता पयला महिला आयोगान गेले जाल्यार विंध्या तानावडे अध्यक्षा एकटीच ते बशिल्ली आसा आनी एक मेंबर थंय ना म्हाका अजाप जालें जेन्ना चेअरमॅन जेन्ना ऑफिसान येता तेन्ना सगळे लोक मेंबर थंय आसता ती म्हणटा ना गो ती येवना वचपाचें लग्न आसा ज्या बायलांक तळमळ ना ती बायलां थंय आसूंक जाय अशें म्हजें मत ना बायलां जर घालपाक जाय ज्या बायलांक खरेंच कितें कर्म आसा काय चेअरमॅन ती एकटी काम करता एकटो मेंबर 6 मेंबरांत एक मेंबर थंय ना ते चुकता म्हणजे अशें न्ही की बायलो अशें न्ही ज्या तुमी बायलांक घालता ते खरेंच आपल्या मतदारसंघांतल्या मनशाक ती घालप हो खंयचो कायदो तर अशा तरेचे जे कितें बायलांक एका हातान तुमी दिता आनी दुसऱ्या हातान ओडटा ताजें म्हाका खूब वायट दिसता आनी सादे गोश्टी खातीर बारीक गोश्टी खातीर बायले सगळे आडून उरता एक रेशन कार्ड ना एक आधार कार्डाचो नंबर ना म्हणजे तुम्ही पळया तें घर पळया तिची परिस्थिती पळया टिचरी पळय ती खाता पायट 2000 आमी दिले ना कित्याक वाटलें कित्याक दिवंक शकना ना सकाळी तिका फोन सांगल्या जाता तेका टिचरी हांव हो विशय मांडला पेपरार जर येत जाल्यार म्हाका तुमी कोन्नाका म्हणलें हांव 2 म्हयने तुका विचारता तेका ताका 2000 कित्याक मेळना काय म्हणून सो ह्यो बारीक स्किमी आसा त्यो सगळ्यो बऱ्यो आसा म्हाका स्किमी बद्दल कितेंच वायट ना पूण जांकां तळमळ आसा जांकां खरेंच बायलां विशयी कितें दिसता त्या मनशांक ते निवडचें की खरेंच बाबा जाता म्हणून तें अशें आवडा सारकी मनीस धावपट्ट्यो काडटा दिसपट्ट्यो काडटा हांव म्हजे कडेन पयशे ना म्हजे कडेन कसलो अधिकार ना म्हजे कडेन कसलें पद ना तरी आसतना तिका खबर आसा दिसाक 2-3 बायलो आपले प्रॉब्लेम घटस्फोट आसूं कुडगे आसूं महिला आयोग आसूं सोशल ती बारीक ज्यो गजाली आसात तातूंत म्हाका बारीक लक्ष घालचें पडटा म्हाका म्हणटा कालच ते उदक सामकें व्हांवत आसा एका बिल्डिंगेंतल्यान कोण तरी भाड्याक दिला तो मुंबय आसा सगळ्यांक फोन केला हांवें उदक मागता तुका कितें लागता तांकां बिल येतलें तुका कितें म्हाका त्रास जाता उदक तें म्हाका पुरोवंक बसलें की म्हाका त्रास जाता काल संजय दिलीप ढवळीकर म्हणून इंजिनियर आसा ढवळीकरचो बाब ताका फोन केलो बाबा रे तें उदक बंद तरी करा दिवन ताका ते कॉल घाल पयशे हांव दिता पूण टाकयेचें उदक तें घालता आज सकाळचे दोळे बंद जाल्या कानूय बंद जाल्या ते समाजात कितें घडटा ते पळोवपाचेर आज लोकांची येना म्हणजे कायदे आनी सवलती फुडेंच गेलो मनीसपणच मातशें खूब निराश जाला आनी ह्या 2 वर्सां अशें हांव पॉझिटीव बरोवपी पूण जे कितें बायलां बाबतींत जाता जे कितें गोवोरमेंटाच्या हातूंत जाता ते एक वताचेर म्हणजे वयसाच्या बायलेक 4-5 फावटी वचचें पडटा साद्या एका सर्टिफिकेटाक साद्या एका हाज्या खातीर ही योजना मेळटा सर ती सामकी दमून भागून वता आनी मागीर ते पाड पडूं म्हणून त्यो सगळ्यो जरी योजना आसल्यो तरी ती फाटल्यान जाता देव बरें करूं.
Jyotibai made 2-3 points. One, she says the schemes are good, but those who have created the schemes are mostly men, and without taking women into confidence, they have been formulated. That is what she feels, because she finds that when it comes to implementation, delivery of the schemes to the real beneficiaries, she finds that it doesn't happen often. Deserving women don't get the schemes they are meant to get it. So she feels that this is the area where focus should be there. Then she also raised another point, that is marriage at the age of 80 years, because that she feels that it will encourage women getting married earlier. So this point she made. Now we will come to the government view, that is the child and social welfare director of women and child development, Ms. Rajani Vernekar.
आता आमचे बाय संघमित्रा आणि ज्योतिबाय खूबश्यो गजाली सांगल्यो एज ह्युमन बींग म्हाका खूबशें तितूंतलें खरें दिसलें पण संघमित्रान सगळें उलयलें लाडली लक्ष्मीचे ते लग्ना बद्दलूच आनी डावरी बद्दल ही स्कीम ह्या मे म्हयन्यान एमेंड केल्ली आसा आनी जी कोणाक 18 वर्सांचेर मेळटा भुरग्याक ते 21 वर्सांचे जातकूच तेणे ते पयशे आपल्या हायर स्टडीजाक विड्रॉ करूंक मेळटा हो पॉयंट मातसो गरजेचो आसा आनी सगळ्यांनी हेची नोंद घेवची 18 वर्सां ऑन 18 years फ्रॉम 1/4/2012 आनी देर आफ्टर एक ग्रूप आनी कोणाक 18 वर्सां तेज्या पयलीं जाल्ली तेका ऑन 18 सिवील रजिस्ट्रेशन मॅरेज अशी 2 ग्रुपांनी स्कीम आसा फक्त 18 वर्सांचेरूच ना 18 वर्सांचेरूच एक ग्रूप आनी दुसरो ग्रूप 18 वर्सां 1 एप्रिल 2012 पयलीं कोणाक जाल्ली पळय ताका सिवील मॅरेज रजिस्ट्रेशन. आतां ही
स्किमीचे बद्दल आमकां अशें एडवर्स कोणाक डावरी खातीर हॅरेसमेंट जालो किंवा कोणाक कितें अशें घोवा गेल्या लोकांनी त्रास दिले अशें म्हणून आमच्या पर्यंत कोणूच अजून आयलो ना. मे बी तो टायम अजून चड जावना, स्कीम जाल्यार अर्दवट सुद्दां जावना. इन ड्यू कोर्स आमकां असली खबर येता पूण अजून पर्यंत आयलो ना. आतां गृह आधार स्किमीचें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार हे सगळ्यो बायलो कोणाक गृह आधार स्किमी मेळ्ळ्या त्यो आमकां येवन सांगतात आमी खूब खुशाल, आमकां आतां आमच्या घोवा कडेन 5 पयशे मागूंक नाका. आमी आमचे म्हणून पयशे सांबाळटा, बाजार करपाकूच म्हणून न्ही पूण आमची पॉकेट मनी असो गव्हर्मेंटाच्या बाबतींत हो व्यू आसा. आनी लाडली लक्ष्मीक सिलींग ना जाल्ल्या कारणान सगळ्या जनरल कॅटेगरीक ती मेळटा आनी इट गोज व्हेरी स्मूथ. आमचे ते हें आसा न्ही आउटसोर्स केला आमी स्क्रुटनी करपाक ते गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स दिल्लें आसा ते स्क्रुटनी करून आमकां रिपोर्ट हाडलो की आमी एज पर स्कीम कोड आसा ते तशें वता आनी एक कमिटी आसा ते स्किमी अंडर ती कमिटी वचूंक जाय ती कमिटी करता. एज ऑन डेट कितल्या लोकांक मेळ्ळी एज ऑन डेट 6,264 लोकांक ही स्कीम मेळ्ळी लाडली लक्ष्मी.
And how many pending?
आता आमकां टोटल आयल्यात ती 10,392 एप्लिकेशन आयल्या म्हणजे मोर लेस 60% जालें. आनी दोनूय कॅटेगरीक मेळ्ळ्या. 18 वर्साच्या भुरग्यांक खूब मेळ्ळ्या.
Just repeat the figures again.
Yeah.
6,264 लाडली लक्ष्मी beneficiaries as on date, both categories 18 and 40.
गाडी गृह आधार किती आहे?
गृह आधार as on date 53,346 1,346 beneficiaries.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
How many are pending?
About 38,000 are pending.
Annual outlay for this.
For Ladli Lakshmi, it is 8 crores 6 lakh. This much is that is and Graha Adar. Last year it was 150 crores. Procedure सुद्धा एकदम सिंपल असा. फॉर्म करपाचे गृह आधार they can take the form from all HDS projects. आमची integrated child development services करतात all तालुका levels. Integrated आमचे ICDS ऑफिस आसा integrated development services तालुका level थंय गृह आधाराची फॉर्मां दवरलेली आसात त्या ऑफिसांनी थंयच्यान ती कलेक्ट करून ती भरून थंय दिवंक मेळटा किंवा आमच्या हेड ऑफिसान दिवंक मेळटा. लाडली लक्ष्मीची फॉर्मां बँकांनी दिल्ली आसा. स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, बँक ऑफ इंडिया आणि HDFC बँक थंयच्यान ती फॉर्मां घेवची पडटा.
During discussion, you can ask. So, thank you, Mr. Dharmekar. This is a government view that scheme is good, and people have been appreciating the scheme. Now, before drawing the discussion open, I would just make a few these for the debate. One is empowerment of women. When we say issues, as I said earlier, it is the major focus should be on the employment opportunities for women and education. So here I have some figures. According to the National Sample Survey, in 2008, labor participation rate in the country, see the level, it is 33%. In 2008, 33% for female labor participation in the country, as against 81% for male. And in China, the comparative figure for female it is given as 68%. Then another figure, in 2009-10, a national sample survey says that per 1,000 women in rural areas, women who attend to domestic duties is 347. per 1000. And in urban, this number was even bigger, 465 to 1000. Why it is bigger? That only speaks of lack of opportunities for employment outside for women. Compare this to rural and urban men attending to domestic duties. It is 5 per 1000 in rural and 4 per 1000 in urban. Now, this low labor participation in 2009-10, proportion of women attending to domestic duties and therefore out of labor force was 57% among urban females, and which included graduate degrees or even higher educated women, compared to 31% among rural with primary or middle school education. So it is the absence of suitable employment opportunities which is very important. Now in 2009-10, India's another figure, very interesting figure I will give. In 2009-10, India's manufacturing sector suffered due to variety of problems like power shortage, slowdown in exports and all that. Between 2004 to 2005 and up to 2009-10, 3.7 million manufacturing jobs were lost in the country, and out of that 80% were women. So when this kind of situation is there, should not the governments be attending to create job opportunities, income generation opportunities for women? Can they be substituted by loans or one-time gifts, as Sanghamitra said? So the main issue is, as Amartya Sena has written, that missing women in India's population. This is the missing women in India's workforce. So whether we are addressing that by this kind of schemes, or we are trying to show that we are addressing it. So this is the issue. So now I open the debate for discussion.
This is regarding Gruha Aadhar scheme, basic plan scheme. As you are aware, everybody is aware, that 2000s or 1000 which was passed previously, it was on record, government has said that more than 10,000 applications were bogus. Now you have received application and you are giving application to around 53,346 women, 1,000 rupees per month. What is the checklist that how many to find out a bogus, and how are you going to help vigilant citizen to find out a bogus woman?
Define bogus.
No, bogus means not ground.
Two things. A woman which we see in a village who wears around 5 lakhs ornaments at a wedding.
Ineligible.
Is she eligible? Something like that. Because one thing what I suggest is one thing, you should put the beneficiary's photo and name in that ward or village, wherever it is possible, so that vigilant citizens can tell the government, yes, she is not eligible. This will help actually to find out the non-eligibility. You have only considered regarding income of 3 lakhs. In reality, villagers know whether that family has an income of 3 lakhs or less. And as also other things, like the Jyoti has said, those women who are there are many beneficiaries actually eligible are not getting this. I know this picture in Taligaon. They are not getting, even they have applied, they have not received for more than 3 months.
Okay, so he says that people who are eligible often don't get, and people who are not eligible get the scheme.
Again, this is
So there should be checklist should be put to the people. Checklist, whatever that. Put it in the public fora. Yes, these are the people who are getting. Put a photograph and a name in a public places, wherever it is possible. Put it. It's not
He
difficult thing.
has some criteria, and schemes go by that criteria. Now, for example, the income certificate certification. It is given by competent authority.
Naturally, I never said that you follow that, but put this in the public.
relevant in today's context because there is a lot of corruption in these schemes.
Put it in public, this one.
Does the department at the moment have a website?
Website, yes.
Yes. So can you put on the website
Yes.
all the beneficiaries' details?
Yes.
So,
Can be done.
yeah, so even including the photograph of the person,
Yes.
that will be on the website.
On website.
Okay, so this is the first issue. Second issue is, does the department have a citizen charter?
Citizen charter manual book is not, but on the website it is.
No, no, so, ma'am, today is State Consumer Rights Day, so I am fielding this issue here because there are a lot of girl students here, and I am raising this from the point of view that one of the reasons we are facing these questions of empowerment is as a girl child or as a student of a SSC, higher secondary or any of the colleges here. Do the girls know their basic rights? How many of them have got a voter's card? How many of them have seen whether their name is on the ration card? How many of them have asked their mothers whether they are getting their LPG cylinder on time? The question here today is, when we look at empowerment, the principal questions start within your own home. I am looking today on Prudent Media, there is one ad of a person who is offering you a mixer. I can tell you, hundreds of women will go for this mixer and grinder. Do you know the background of this person? In every advertisement, I am raising this today because thousands of women today in Goa are being treated as consumers. And they just do not know their rights, what they are supposed to do, where they can file a complaint. So my question to the Department of Women and Child is that this is the department who are the jurisdiction of the girl child and who has the jurisdiction over a woman, right? And we have the word development. So my contention is that I have trained any amount of Mukhya Sevikas, Anganwadi workers at Girda. My simple point has been, can we have a simple complaint box where people can put their complaints? We will handle it. Let the complaint come, we will handle it. Because the fact of the matter is that I am dealing with complaints today that you go to a Swami and who claims to be a Swami, Ponda police have arrested him the other day, and he says he can solve your marital problem, he can solve your AIDS problem, he can create a child for you in 3 hours. 3 वरा मितर तो बुर्गे दिता. Of course, he will say a sexual act doesn't require 3 hours. So my question here is that whether we see, does the Women and Child Department see itself as an empowering or a department for empowering women? Okay, I am raising a larger question. I have no problem with the scheme. I'll tell you why. Because for me, if you are ready to give me this information of 53,000, I will organize with the Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs to start sending them on information about their rights. 53,000 women. Let us take up a challenge that you have got 53,000 women's information. Okay? We will just take up simple things. Ration card, how much ration they get, how they are treated. On gas, telephone, electricity, only on this. If you are ready, we will start this empowerment process today. We will sign up a deal between both the departments. We are not receiving any funds, we don't want any funds from the government. It's a very simple process. If you are ready to offer connectivity to this 53,000, the problem here is that we are not ready to look at this part of the deal. So I would like to point out whether we can look at this issue that you give 1,000 rupees, but we will save 10,000 rupees of the same lady. 10,000 rupees. So,
2 years ago on the female fetus, we always do the seminar on empowering the girl child in January. 2 years ago we had done the seminar, and this whole recommendation about this Ladli Lakshmi scheme came about in that seminar actually, and was given to the government at that point. It was not this government, the previous government, but they did not implement it. But the whole idea behind that recommendation was, it was taken from what happens in Delhi. Sheila Dikshit in Delhi, the Chief Minister of Delhi, she started this Ladli Lakshmi scheme for the same reason, or empowering to control the falling sex ratio. What she did was, when a girl child is born, the government used to give 1 lakh rupees to the parents to put it in the fixed deposit. The government did not even give it to the parents. They put it in the girl's name in a fixed deposit, in a bond, for 18 years.
Karnataka also has.
Yeah, so that way the girl child was truly empowered. And at the age of 18, and the parents were just trustees of that bond, they could not touch that money. It was all, and when the girl attained the age of 18, she could take that money for whatever she wanted to do. It was her money, it was her dhan. She could use it for higher studies, she could use it for a marriage, she could use it for going abroad. It was that money, 1 lakh in 18 years, you can imagine with 10% interest, how much it must have become. That was her empowering factor. That money, nobody can deny that money, financial, the truly empowering thing for a woman is financial stability. You can't deny that. So coming into that, when she's 18 years old, she gets that money, 1 lakh multiplied 18 years, in 18 years, that kind of money comes into her hand. Can you imagine the empowering effect it had? And in 2 years, the Delhi population, the sex ratio of Delhi from 900 and something went up to 1084. Because there was no female feticide. Women did not want to do that. When they knew that their daughter was coming into that kind of money, there was no burden, not whatever. It was not 1 lakh, it was so many lakhs, Now that is one point. Why can't the government think of something like that? Second is, the falling sex ratio is so much in Haryana and other places that girls are being imported into that state, to marry boys over there, because the sex ratio is something like 700 and 800 to 1,000. Now, is the Goa government any kind of check on that this 53,000 beneficiaries, have they all got married into the Goa family, to Goans, or Haryana boys or Punjabi boys, or from wherever the state, Rajasthan, where the sex ratio is so low that they are importing girls, they're getting girls from Odisha and other places to get married. Is there any kind of a thing that you have kept to check that this is not some kind of a carrot which is being dangled, that boys are getting greedy, that there's this girl in Goa who's getting 1 lakh from the government, so let's go and get married to her. And after that, we'll take the 1 lakh and then forget the girl and forget anything else. Is there some kind of a check? Has the government got any kind of a check on that? Not that what happens after that 1 lakh, and who is it given to, and who is she getting married to, and what happens to that girl after that? Some kind of a check has to be kept on that.
And the thing is, I am born and brought up in Goa, but my parents have migrated. So this Ladli Lakshmi scheme, will I get any benefit out of it? Can I apply for that?
Yes, you can apply provided either of your parents produces 25 years residence, if he is not a Goan, 25 years residence certificate.
This is not working. It's working. Okay. Now, I think what Nandini has just made a comment. I would like to second Nandini's suggestion that to ask the Goa government to rethink on the scheme of Ladli Lakshmi in terms of a more progressive attitude towards the girl child. And as Nandini has said, that as it originally started, I think that seems a more sensible way of dealing with it than with the new amendments which the Social Welfare Department, Women and Child Welfare Department have thought of. I think that seems sort of not practicable at all. But what Nandini has said is definitely more practical, and the Goa government should look into that aspect of it.
The moment anyone mentions Ladli Lakshmi, the first thing that comes to your head is the girl's getting it when she's getting married. Now what about girls who want to be independent? Those who don't want to get married or want to stay by themselves and support their family like that? how do they benefit from this?
That's exactly the scheme Nandini is talking about.
1 minute. She will explain. It is also
The
there.
scheme is
But the
modified.
focus is gone like that. That is what we are debating.
I completely agree with you.
The scheme is modified at the age of 21. I mean, those people who cracked the scheme at the age of 18 can withdraw that money on attaining the age of 21 for further studies or for business. It is amended. But those who are married, the money goes as cash for them. Those who are unmarried, it goes in the form of FD.
Remain.
But what I'm saying is the focus should not be on marriage. That is
Yeah.
one thing. It should be on empowerment.
But for the woman who is not uneducated, she is not going for any education, and she is around 25.
She will get it on attaining.
She doesn't want to get married.
She will get
21.
21.
तुम्ही दिसते आता आम्ही म्हणटा न्ही आता आमचो सेक्स रेशियो कितलो आसा 945 अगेन्स्ट 1000 म्हणल्यार 5 वर्सां 945
Goa's is 968.
968 अगेन्स्ट 1000 सो फुडल्या 10 वर्सांक कितें जातलें खबर आसा चलयो सगळ्यो देंवतल्यो चलयो आतां गोंयांत म्हणजे कमी जातलें लग्नां सो आतां तुमचो सेक्स रेशियो पळयलो न्ही फुडल्या 10 वर्सांक
Or girl child or it empowers politicians. That is the point.
I just had a suggestion to make actually. I am a Goan also, but I have studied in Maharashtra most of my life. And in Maharashtra, the Maharashtra government, for example, does not charge any education tuition fees for girls up till the master's level.
Absolutely. This
Okay.
kind of
But-
empowerment is very important.
Yes, so if we can do something like that for girls in Goa, because I find in Goa there's an additional burden of the fact that transport is very expensive.
Absolutely.
So girls do not travel very far to a good college for their education because they spend 30 rupees and 40 rupees a day only to pay for the bus, which is also so regular and they're reaching late for class. For example, so many students, even in government aided colleges, have fees like 4,000, 5,000 and all, which they cannot, their parents cannot afford, and they are denied that education many a time, and then they do not go for higher education even in the state because it is expensive. Not the MBAs and all. The Maharashtra government does not pay the tuition fees for an MBA degree, but for the basic MSc, MCom, MA, or whatever is the basic requirement for today. Graduation degree is of no use. So at least the government can do something alternatively also to this by subsidizing education in Goa for the girls.
Empowerment through employment, I was saying earlier. Ask this girl. She is in journalism. Many of her kind in Goan journalism. Girls, they come and they leave the job and go. Why? Because transport, as you said, becomes very costly. Late hours, they don't have facilities. Media houses don't create facilities for girls. All these problems, there where is the empowerment for them to earn employment? These are the problems which governments have to be taking into consideration.
In fact, last year we had done a research study in our college about whether adolescent girls and boys, whether they engage in any leisure habits. Like, people from other metropolitan cities, they have a lot of exposure to leisure activities which help them build their personality and develop the soft skills required for a job.
Yeah.
But everyone said that in Goa everything is dead after 7. Where do you expect us to go after coming back from college?
Yeah.
So they're reaching back from college at 5 o'clock for a college that runs from 9 to 3, for example. And they are so tired traveling that they don't have time to even go out and play. Okay? There's no facility, no club in the village where they can go and practice a sport. There's no, other thing like for a girl to even, it's not safe. Like the villages are lonely, lights are not working, the roads are dark. So they don't have that kind of security and safety to do a leisure activity. How do they develop their personality in other ways? It's not sufficient to go for a personality education class during college hours for 1 hour and then your personality suddenly develops. Okay? So they need other kinds of facilities which will help them develop all around so that they are marketable as job professionals later on. Otherwise all the other cities produce much better people because they are able to cater to all around development.
Support system.
I object to that.
One of the points is that there is no doubt that social security schemes like this are part of empowerment. Definitely that is the responsibility of the government, but as Jyotibai put it, that it should reach to the real target beneficiaries. if they don't reach to the target beneficiaries, then the whole purpose is lost. Then they purely become populist scheme or vote getting schemes. So that is one. So that is one where we have to emphasize. And the second, as Nandini pointed out, the scheme should be to empower the girl child and then give the confidence to the parents right at the birth. From there onwards, and the girl child, while she grows up, she should get benefit from that, and not only marriage. So linking of this scheme entirely to the marriage, I think there that disassociation should come.
Yes.
If it becomes more focused and more empowering, and beyond that, let us not imagine or just think that government's duty ends of empowering women just by giving loans. We have to fight for getting all other supporting systems, as she said, about fees for higher education, transport facilities for girls and whatnot, whatever. Wherever possible, girls should get this, because education, higher education for girls will bring about the real empowerment, and higher job opportunities, earnings, income opportunities lead to their empowerment. We have seen that. So thank you for participating in debate.